Konnichiwa!
So today we're going to do the Japanese sweet challenge.
So what we've done is we've ordered a box of Japanese candy.
And bear with us because obviously like some of the wording, we're going to try and explain what they are.
It's come with a leaflet, so I can tell everyone what everything is.
We'll put the link in at the bottom if you guys want to give it a go as well.
So yeah, it's called a 40-piece Dagashi set.
Right, let's get started.
Do we know any other Japanese words?
No, that's all we know. That's all Alexia taught us
That's
this
really
morning.
bad.
It is bad.
Right.
But maybe we'll learn some today.
What do you want to pick first? The fried chicken. So I'm guessing these are just going to be crisps, taste of fried chicken. I'm not mad at.
They've got to be nice. They look like nice. Oh look, it's like a popcorn chicken. Oh, it's basically what's it? Definitely like a what's it sort of vibe.
Oh!
Yeah.
You've got a giant mouth. Hold on.
I'm going to pick the Kit Kat.
This is a green Kit Kat, which is a matcha. So green tea.
I choose this. Green.
Whoa. Show the camera.
It's more adult food,
These guys.
says.
Green. If that doesn't look healthy.
And I choose this.
You don't like it?
Oh.
You don't like that one?
Yeah, that's not nice.
Isn't it?
I didn't like the flavour at the end. Daddy, and I choose.
Oh no.
I
Oh, no.
choose this. Told you that was.
Oh gosh, yeah. The aftertaste.
I'm gonna go for.
Whoa.
Whoa, jumbo.
It looks like some sort of chocolate
What is
wafer
that? I'll
bar.
read that while you're waiting. Right, so this we've got is a crispy puffed corn filled with peanuts and covered in a light milk chocolate.
Yes.
Now that sounds like a winner.
Milk chocolate. I want to eat the marshmallow. Squishy marshmallow.
That has to be nice.
Squishy. Daddy, squishy marshmallow.
Face isn't looking good.
Oh, it's like.
That is like a blue ribbon.
Yes.
Blue ribbon all day long. That's all
It's just like a wafer, but it's
right.
really, really light.
Really light.
That
It looks
one
like a
is.
Swiss roll. It looks like a Swiss roll.
This one's an Uncle Piero's roll cake, a delicious strawberry or buttercream filled soft roll cake by Uncle Piero.
Okay, there she is.
That's not really up my street. Nice. I don't like cream.
Yeah, it's just like a mini roll. There's nothing to really like, but there's nothing to really hate about it. It's just.
You want something else?
It tastes like cake.
It's like a spongy cake.
A bit.
I choose the marshmallow.
I think it's a chocolate marshmallow. Or is it just a marshmallow?
It looks like it's got like a bit of, like a strawberry.
That's it. That taste. Maybe you can eat it all.
Oh yeah, it's got like a strawberry.
Is it chocolate?
No. It's got like a strawberry, what would you
Oh,
call
that
that?
must be this one. The
Like
strawberry daifuku.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try. We thought they were sweets, but they're actually.
I can imagine
crisps.
there might be like a cartoon.
They are a hollow tube corn puff. So they just feel like a big what's it?
They're like air, aren't they? They're like literally like
So there's
massive.
all different flavours. I've picked the blue one. I'm not sure why I've done that. But all the flavours are salami, cheese,
What?
teriyaki burger, mentaco, takoyaki, chicken curry, salt beef tongue.
Chicken curry, salt beef. Oh,
Salt
gotta
beef
get the salt beef tongue one.
Right, let's try them.
Okay, let's give it a go.
I'm gonna go with the blue.
I like.
Oh, I think this is a beefy one.
Can you smell it? Smell test.
I want to smell. Can I smell?
What's the smell of milk? What's the flavour?
Smells funny, like nice.
I'm gonna need a drink after that.
My turn. Is it cool?
That
Should we open up the other flavours?
that is like Monster Munch.
Yeah.
Monster Munch all day long.
This is the yellow one. I'm guessing this is the cheese.
I want to open the
Open this
purple one.
Millie, you open the blue one.
Okay. I'm going to open the purple. This is
Listen now, like
red.
this, Nella.
This
What
is
Daddy
red.
said, like this way.
They're very dry.
That is a what's it? Taste it. That's a what's it.
No, this is a what's it.
Not nice. And this one, Nella. This one's a what's it.
You have to say. You have to say.
Okay.
Oh no,
No?
no.
What's the purple one?
Oh no, what is that? I think that must be the beef tongue. Was it salt? Was it salt beef?
I don't know. It's got a cat on it. I've chosen the Pop Rock candy, so let's have a look. Can't go wrong with a bit of
You
Pop
can't go wrong with
Rocks.
popping candy. Everyone loves popping candy. And
Oh. That's not what I thought.
I'm going to taste one.
It's actually, I don't know if you can see
Oh.
this. It's got candy.
Is it popping?
Oh no, I'm not sure about this.
Is it popping?
Yeah.
No, this is the brown one.
What's the other bits for?
Some
Oh,
of
they
them,
must be the flavours.
some of them are sweets and some of them are popping candy.
Look now, little. Ah.
Can I have some? Can I have some?
You can't.
Can I have some?
Can't.
Oh,
You can't. Yeah, popping. Okay, right. My go.
Why is it called
you picked it up now. You can't
I
put it
picked it up.
down.
I picked it up and I could feel the texture of what's inside, and I instantly want to put it down, but
Are you
What is
can't?
that? Is that a banana?
it looks like
It does not look.
it definitely. I don't know if
does
it's
not
supposed to be a
look my
banana, but it
type.
doesn't really look like a banana, but it kind of is.
Oh.
Oh,
Open
it's
it.
one of those things.
Oh,
you
this
mix.
is a drink one.
Put some water in.
Oh, now I can smell it. Smell it now.
Yeah, it smells like banana.
Oh,
No,
you're supposed
Smell
to
it?
drink it.
smells like
So you sort of pour it in the glass.
Oh my god.
It's like a banana flavoured drink. It's very frothy.
It is frothy. Okay,
Go
right.
on then.
Mm-mm.
Here I've got kids beer. Yellow in colour and the top froth's like a real beer.
Yeah, I get that.
In sweet Ramoon.
I get that sort of beer texture. I feel like they've gone for that sort of a
flavour.
beer, that almost a bit fizzy, but not. So if you look, you can see it goes like a real beer, so it's got like a nice head on top.
It's got like stuff floating
I
in
think
the bottom.
it would shake it more. But I mean, you taste it, it's like almost a bit fizzy, almost like a little fizzy taste. Do you want to try a bit, Mills? Well, you got to try a bit for the camera,
Okay.
because we need a kid's perspective on it. I'm saying you wouldn't drink it, but it's not bad.
Wow, that is sweet.
Right, enough of that popping candy. You'll be popping off.
Right, my turn, and I'm going to go for.
Oh, I was eyeing that one up for myself.
I don't know why I'm saying
Do you want
that.
me to read it?
I don't know if I actually like the look of this, but
Yeah, you hold it. You hold it. We need to find it. Nella, can we find it? Where is it?
I tell you what I do love. They always have these cute little characters on the front. which is sweet.
Can I?
Good girl.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's quite hard.
Okay, this one is a chocolate
flake.
shimmy
It looks like
corn stick, and it's a succulent mix of chocolate and crispy corn puff
Let me hold it.
in a star-shaped tube of yumminess.
It's a
With
chocolate
just-
crisp.
Let me taste.
With a shape like that, it has to be nice.
It's like
Where's the
the
Coke?
chocolate. What's it?
Where's the Coke?
Ooh.
I'm not mad at it though.
Where's the Coke? Cake.
It's like chocolate crisps.
Where's the lollipop? No, mine.
Is it nice?
Mine. Where's the lollipop? Where's the lollipop?
We may have a new favourite.
Let Daddy taste it. Is that going to be your favourite?
Really? Can't be.
Isn't it weird? They don't do anything like that over here.
Daddy, where's Mine. the lollipop?
That's a lot.
Daddy.
It's basically just,
That wafer and chocolate, really, isn't it?
yeah. Or corn puff though.
Corn puff, yeah. This is a mini cola. Looks like a can of Coke.
Get full.
It's like little Pez sweets, is it?
You like it?
Oh, they're tiny.
It tastes like Coke. Tastes like cola. They're nice, little like soft.
My
What's
hand
that sort of sweet called? Like a soft. Chew it. Like a
It's a Coke. Coke.
love heart. What's the love heart sort of sweet? But cola. They're delicious. That could be my favourite.
No,
No.
I don't like them.
What's that? What's it look like? Whoa, it looks like another sort of can of cola.
I think it's going to be a sort of Coca-Cola dib dab. If I can find it.
Oh, yes!
Is it? Coca-Cola dib dab?
The other half's in there.
Is there like a powder at the bottom?
Yeah, there's a powder.
I wonder if it's fizzy again.
This is the best one I've ever tasted so far, literally. So nice. Taste some?
Is it literally so good?
Yep. In the web.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like sugar.
Tastes like sugar.
Taste
These two are going to be bouncing off the walls in a minute.
Oh my gosh, that is lovely.
Is it? Look at
And
the
It's
taste.
not. It's like a tutti. Is it tutti frutti? Oh, that is nice, Dancy.
That is too.
That is lovely.
Oh, she's always going for those marshmallows.
So what you got?
I like Bella.
Nella's just decided to pick everything
Loves
that
a
resembles a
marshmallow.
marshmallow.
Come on, I can do it.
And this is the Hello Kitty chocolate marshmallow.
Do it that way.
A fluffy chocolate filled marshmallow.
Oh, it's chocolate marshmallow.
Oh my gosh. A marshmallow with chocolate?
Can I taste?
Oh, it's
You taste
very
it.
fluffy.
Oh, it smells lovely.
Can I smell?
It looks like a good marshmallow.
You can smell the chocolate.
Smell. Let me eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Oh.
It's chocolate.
Show the
Chocolate.
camera.
Chocolate. That's actually really good.
Nice.
Is it?
And says?
Yeah, it's really good.
So the Hello Kitty chocolate filled marshmallow is nice.
Yeah.
It's chocolate like Nutella.
Let me put it
No, it is
on.
like a mousse yogurt.
Huh?
The mousse yogurt you
Oh,
have.
okay, yeah.
A bit different.
I'm going to go for this little bear thing.
okay.
I'm going to open it. Oh,
Oh wow. Like little chocolate nuggets.
it's like chocolate coloured.
Ah.
Are they like sugar puffs?
Is that the same sort of like
It's like little chocolate
that's
coloured
dark chocolate, isn't it?
puffs.
That's
Dark
good.
chocolate.
Yeah, I
They're
like
quite
them.
nice them, yeah, that's right actually.
I don't know what they're called. I think they're called Muggy Choco.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So we've got these ones, which is another melon sweet. So I'll have a look at this one.
Very hard, but soft.
Why are you doing it to me? I'm
Relax, isn't it?
tasting good.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, they just melt.
Oh, they just melt.
Wasn't expecting that.
Give us one.
They just melt. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Oh. This is why I don't like melon.
Is that surprising, Nella? I think Penelope's slightly dehydrated. We'll just wait for you to drink your drink, P. Don't worry about anyone else.
Good. Okay. Right, guys. We're all done. Thanks for watching. We've conquered the Japanese sweet challenge. We think we've done well.
We're going to order another box for another video.
Who knows what next?
I don't know what country. We want to do America, but we have tried a lot of their sweets, so we're not sure.
Yeah.
Africa.
Africa.
Ooh, that's
That could
about
be a good
there.
one.
That's a good shout.
We'll have to have a look.
Australia.
Australia, that's another one, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We'll have a look and see. Peru.
Ooh, wow, just going
Not
South
sure if I've
America
got
like
those
that.
sort of contacts, but we'll see.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.